Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to use dimension style in Autocad. I want to change this one, the dimension. Let's press D on your keyboard, that shortcut, then press space. And here is the dimension style manager. Then go to new, name it whatever you want, then press continue. After that, go to lines. Let's make these check, these two. I want to remove them. The simple, let's make it oblique, and the arrow size, let's make it 0.5, and the text the same, 0.5. After that, the primary unit, let's make it 0.00, then press OK, then set current, then press close. Let's go to dimension. Let's make this one from this and this, and here it is, the same. Let's make it from this side, and this one also, and this one. Let's delete this one, and here it is.